Hi everyone, if you want to buy a DJI Agras T100 drone, I highly recommend you to watch this video because the goal of this video is simple. It's to help you make an educated purchase, choose the right generator charging system for your drone or the proper package. So basically during the video we will cover what are the packages that you can purchase with the T100, which package is good for a farm owner, which package is good for a commercial applicator that sprays for other farmers. After that we go over the battery cooling system, when is it needed, when it's not needed, and a little bit more about the different systems or different applications you can do with the T100, such as spreading or lifting. The DJI Agras T100 is the most advanced sprayer drone in the market today, period. It comes with the LiDAR technology for terrain following, obstacle avoidance. It has the visual sensors, radar system. You can expect this drone to last you for years. We have drones that our customers bought from us 6 years ago and they're still using them. That being said, let's get to the packages. When you are ordering a T100, usually our team will provide you with one of the two most common packages. One is with the DJI Agras T100. The frame comes separate, the spray system with the liquid tank and landing gear, and then it will include 3 batteries, the battery cooling kit, the remote controller box, which has the remote controller in it, with the external battery of the remote controller and the charger for the remote controller. Then here is where things get a little bit different in different packages. There are 3 different ways to charge these batteries. The package 1, which is the most common one, is everything I mentioned plus a C10000 charger. You can see the C10000 charger has 2 connectors here. You will connect both of these with an adapter like this one to a 240 volt outlet of any common type of generator that can generate more than 12,500 running watts. That's important because this is it's called C10000. It can provide up to 9,500 watts to each battery. So if you are getting this package with the adapter cable and you connect it to 220 volt single phase generator, you can expect to charge each battery in about 15 minutes. You don't necessarily need to use the battery cooling kit because you're putting 9,500 kilowatt hour, and as I mentioned, 15 minutes is much longer charging time than this generator or C12000 can do, which is 8 to 10 minutes. These ones will heat up your battery, so you will need the battery cooling kit. But if you're using the C10000 charger, you don't necessarily need to use that, except if the temperature is super high. So that was the package 1. It is good for who? It is good for a farmer that wants to spray his own farm. Let's say, because you don't want to spray the whole farm in one day. Each day you're spraying a portion of it, and that would be okay. You will have a little bit of downtimes here and there, but it's not gonna be significant to say that you can't do it. But if you're an applicator and you want to spray more than 600 acres per day, first of all, you made the right decision that you're looking at the DJI Agras T100 because this is the drone to go with. Secondly, the C10000, 1 C10000 and 3 batteries might not cut it for you. I highly recommend you to purchase the D14000IE generator. Why is that? Because this generator has a built-in charger that can provide 11,500 watts to the batteries. So it's an all-in-one generator. It's a charger and generator, and it only increases the package cost by almost $3,000. So it's not a significant cost, and it is a gas powered generator. 14,000 watt is the generator. Charger in it is 11,500 watts. This C12000 option is another option that can do basically that provides 11,500 watt as well. But this is where a lot of people get it wrong between these two chargers. When you get this one with a normal normal basically generator, single phase, you can expect 15 minutes of charging. This one, if you do not have a 3-phase generator, the charge time will be significantly higher than the C10000. So if you have the normal generators, don't think if you just buy this one, it will give you a better basically charging time. So only if you have a 3-phase generator, large enough, more than 15,000 running watts, go for the C12000. In most cases, if you do not have that, C10000 would be a better option, but the ideal option is the D14000IE generator. Now let's see when do we need to use the battery cooling kit and when we don't necessarily need to use it. If you're using a C10000 charger, it's not necessary to use the battery cooling kit because it allows enough time to the batteries to kind of like not heat up, because it takes 15 minutes to charge each battery, versus when you're using the C12000 or D14000IE, it charges each battery in 8 to 10 minutes. That is super fast, and it is heating up the battery. So it's recommended to use the battery cooling system, because if you don't use it and you let your batteries heat up like that every time you're charging them, you will reduce the longevity of your batteries. So now we have the liquid tank that it is on the DJI Agras T100, and 2 more options you can use with your DJI Agras T100. They're optional, obviously. So you can see the spreader attachment here and the dual lift kit on that side. The spreader attachment can be used for cover crop seeds, dry fertilizer, and it adds significant versatility to your operation. Why are you laughing? Come here. I'm sorry, this guy has been trying to teach me how to pronounce versatility. Just say it and go.
Versatility.
Please leave now. So we got that. And so basically, this spreader attachment comes with 2 auger systems, the extra large and the medium. So the large and the small are optional and you need to purchase them separately, but the spreader attachment itself, as you can see, it comes with the landing gear already, but then we have the you can come closer to see, we have the extra large option there. That's the auger extra large. Yes. And then we have the medium on basically this one is the medium, this is the small, and that's the large. When do you use them? There are different things that matter. I will recommend you to check the specifications of each auger, because for example, the extra large, it's, let's say you want to spread 100 pounds per acre, you go with the extra large and it's good. You have it because the range or the size of the material you put in it, it can be from 0.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters. So large output, small seeds or material, you can go with the extra large. The medium, on the other hand, the range for the size of the material is 4 millimeters to 6 millimeters. So if you have clover seeds that are super small, the medium wouldn't be good for you. If you have clover seed and you want to spread a small amount, a couple of pounds per acre, you might want to go with the small one. So that's a little bit about how this spreader attachment works. It's an optional item. You can buy it on taosdrones.com website, or you can contact our team or any of our authorized dealers to get this for your DJI Agras T100. Then let's go to the lift kit system. If you want to use your drone to carry, let's say, tractor parts, or we've seen even at times a drone crashes in a cornfield. It's so hard to go there and get it out. You can send a drone to rescue another one. So the lift kit system is a dual battery system. It increases the life of flight time of the battery. Basically, as you can see, if you come here, so this 2 areas, you can put 1 battery here, 1 battery on the other side, and this is the part or cable, the connector that connects to your power distribution board on your T100. So this is the lift kit system. When you contact Talos Drones, we make sure that you are aware of what is going on, what charging system works best for you. You can talk to the experts in our company and they will recommend which charging system works best with the infrastructure that you already have. And these drones are in stock in California. We are in California, Riverside, California. We can ship them nationwide. We have free shipping, and usually it takes 2 to 5 business days. If you need a demonstration also, you can contact us anywhere in the country. We have dealers, our partners, that we can find the closest one to you and connect you with them. So this is basically a video for you to know what comes with the T100, with each T100 package, and which one works best for the scenario that you are going to use this drone for. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe because we're going to make more videos about each one of these options that you can see here. And if you subscribe, you can get notified when we release the video. Thank you again.